It's a 2015 Nissan Armada. Driven by a 5.6-liter 32-valve Endurance V8 engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission with tow haul mode, this Armada's power commands attention as well as the road. It's built on a muscular, fully boxed steel frame that's capable of handling extreme towing. Plus, with a rear sonar system, adjustable pedals, running boards, and vehicle dynamic control, this SUV makes your drive easy.
You don't have to put your life on hold when you have Bluetooth. Parking sensors help keep you safe by alerting you to your surroundings. This vehicle is the right size for everyone with the adjustable pedals.
A full-size SUV for a life full of adventure. Take it for a test drive today.
Bob Bell Nissan Kia, serving the greater Baltimore area for all your automotive needs. Discover our great selection of new Nissans today. Here's the one for you.